Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find and sort cryptos on the Coingecko app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So first of all, you should open the Coingecko app, then go to the markets, which is in the bottom left corner, and it's going to open up all these markets strategies. The first one is cryptocurrency, categories, exchanges, and derivatives. As you can see, go to cryptocurrencies, and here it's going to show you all of the available cryptos right now, and you can sort them by all these criterias. Right now, it's sorted by market capital. So the first one, the top, is Bitcoin, which has more than $1 trillion dollars worth of market capital. The second one is Ethereum, and so on and so on. Now you can sort them by the exchange in the last 1 hour. So this way you can see which cryptocurrencies are growing the fastest in the last hour. BBS is the one, TAI, CLR, and so on and so on. This way you can check out the last hour's movements. You can go and tap on the price, and this way you can see the priciest cryptos ever. For example, for this crypto, USDC, one piece is $58 trillion. So yeah, these are sorted by the price of one asset. And you can also search here and choose more specific criteria. Highest price, you can choose largest positive price change, largest negative price change, or anything. So you can really go creative and research your cryptos. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.